It's your boy Exit back with another video. In today's video, we most definitely got to talk about the elephant in the room. The stock market is so volatile right now. So in today's video, we pretty much just gonna talk about what should you do in this volatile market where everything's crashing. Everything was just, booming. It was money just everywhere, and now you just like, oh no. So without further ado, we're going to talk about this today so I can help you guys out, so I can show you guys what I'm actually doing in my portfolio. Let's get into today's video. All right, guys, what to do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. How about you hit that subscribe button? But I'm gonna tell you why you should hit that subscribe button. One, so you can see me. I know I'm not super attractive, but I do good some days.
You naughty, naughty. You teasing me, you naughty, naughty.
You should subscribe to my channel because in this channel, pretty much my overall goal is to document my growth to my first 100K, 100K invested. Let's put it like that. And pretty much I have a dividend portfolio that I actively invest in every chance I get. I try to invest nothing less than $2,000 a month. And like I said, in this channel, we just document it. We just showing you what I'm purchasing, why I'm purchasing, how much is the growth, how much I'm making. We do all that here. So you guys want to see just a complete random start from scratch and make his way to his 6 figures, I'm your guy. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, join us, post 2 videos a week. But let's get into today's topic, which is what's up with the stock market. It's crazy out here. Tesla was booming, Apple was booming, everything was booming, and now everything just ain't looking too hot. So, and I'm looking around all these groups I'm in, and everybody asking the same question. Do I hold? Do I sell? What do I do? I got you. Telling you what you should do. Dollar cost average. Dollar cost average. Me personally, am I buying Tesla stocks? Yes. That's the big question you guys want to know. The answer is yes. You want to know why? Because unlike other people, I do my research. I look into these companies, and I am a strong believer that Tesla is amazing. It's the future. I want one of their cars. So with that being said, if I believe that much, why would I not invest? Especially when the price, it just got split and the price dropped. Come on. If you don't believe in the company, no, you shouldn't invest. If you don't believe in their earnings, no, you shouldn't invest. These are just tips if you want to actually learn how to trade. Can't panic because you lost $100, lost $200. There's no way you would make large chunks of money if you're scared to lose $200, $300, $50. Just because you see red doesn't mean sell off and run for the hill. Nah, don't do that. If you're really trying to make some long-term money, make some real money, think with your head. Don't follow the crowd. Don't be a normie. But seriously, think for yourself. Do your own research. At the end of the day, that's the best thing to do. If you truly believe in a company and you think they're going to be around for many, many years to come, and they're extremely safe and they can bounce back, invest in them. That's what it boils down to. So, am I investing in Tesla? Yes. Did I previously invest in Tesla before the stock split? No. Why? I wanted to, but I could not afford it. That stock was high, baby. I didn't have it. I didn't. I'm not going to start with you guys. I thought about buying in early March when it was like $300, but at the time I was really trying to knock out my debt, so I could not invest. It's baby steps. And by the time I got to the point where I could, it was out of my price range. well out my price range. But now that it's in my price range, I probably can't, I'm gonna try to sweep up as many as I possibly can, of course. My overall goal is to try to get to like 10. It's gonna be hard, but I'm gonna do what I can do, right? But that's the goal. I'm not gonna not buy, because I think long term Tesla is worth it. And like I said, I'm not just going in and just take my money. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually looking, trying to see when it's gonna dip pretty good, buy in. And to me, like I said, I do believe in Tesla, the company, everything. So yeah, I'm investing. Next stock on the agenda for what should you do? Should you buy, sell, or hold Apple? To me, this is a no-brainer. Apple is one of the safest companies you can possibly invest in. Like, their dividend safety score is a 99. That's legit. Any debt that they have enough where they can just pay that off. So Apple was what, $500. Now after the split, it dropped down like 120, 130. And then even after that, it's dropping even more. I think Apple's going for like 110, between 110 and 115 right now. And to me, that's a good buy. Why? It's ultra safe. It's an amazing company, and Apple's not going nowhere anytime soon. Plus on all that, they give dividends, baby. I don't understand. That's a win-win for me. So am I investing in Apple? Of course. I want to buy as many as I can, because truthfully, I really do believe that company's going to bounce back. And when they start to bounce back, then everybody's going to want to start buying it. If you buy in now while it's cheap, you could potentially make money off the growth. It may drop a little bit now, but you still get the dividend. And if you're a dividend portfolio investor like me, that's what you want, baby. So yes, I am buying Apple without a shadow of a doubt. Yes, it's worth it. Next company that you should know if you're looking to invest in, do these volatile times, what should you invest in? Let me think about it. I shouldn't have to think about Johnson & Johnson. It's safe. Johnson & Johnson safety score is out of this world. So yes, they're always going to pay their dividend. Is it a little pricey? Yes. Ain't no doubt. Yes. Yeah. It's more expensive than Apple right now. But it's safe. And if you're a dividend investor, especially in a time right now where people are saying the crash is right around the door, inflation is shooting up through the roof, everything, what's up is down, what's down is left, what's right is behind me. In times like this, if you dollar cost average into the market, should you buy? Yes. Continue investing. Where should you invest in? Some of the safest companies imaginable. Why? Because they won't cut their dividends. It may lose in stock price, but you still will get the dividend. You want to invest in companies that, without a doubt, no matter what, they're going to pay you out in dividend. Yes. Another company that I would strongly recommend, if it tickles your fancy, Duke Energy. MMM, which is 3M. No, just in case you didn't catch that. Not M&M's. Dude. But Microsoft. All these companies are very, very good companies. They have nothing can stop them as of right now. I'm not saying in the future. We're talking right now. It's like nothing's going to stop them. More than likely, they're going to pay out their dividends. And to me, when it's a moment where the stock market is just should you buy these companies? Yes. Yes. I'm not saying go take your piggy bank and dump all your quarters into one of these companies. But what I'm saying is, if you invest $200 a month, looking to invest in one of these companies. If you invest $100 a week, looking to invest in one of these companies. Why? Because they're safe. The dividends are safe. These are big companies, and they can most likely and always handle their debt. And these are where you should be putting your money into these stocks at a time like this. So the answer to all y'all questions, should you buy, should you hold, should you sell? User's preference. Always remember that. It's user preference. Now, if you were to buy and or sell and or hold, what would you do? Buy the highest dividend safety ones. Apple, Johnson & Johnson, Duke Energy, 3MM, Microsoft. Of course. Should you sell? If you feel you made enough profit or you've lost so much that you just wouldn't know, call it quits. That's a you decision. You make that decision. Don't let anybody else make that for you. Remember, it's your money, not mine or anybody else's. You problem. Should you hold? If you truly believe in that company, even though their stock is plummeting, then yes, hold. But like I said, all these are you decisions. Do not join these Facebook groups, these Snapchat groups, these Twitter groups, and ask, hey, what are you guys doing? And then base your decision off what somebody else doing due to the fact that you don't want to do the research. Doing that can cause you to lose a lot. And even if you win, it's still a fluke because you're not taking the time to learn the basics. And learning the basics is what you really need to do if you're trying to get into this. Don't just do it because somebody else doing it and you see they're making money. Don't just do it because, hey, everybody say do it. Do it because it's something that you want to do and you show interest in it. So that way you really can see what's going on and understand it because you have an interest in it. So that's my 2 cents. These are some stocks that I would recommend to you guys. I answered the big questions and for giving you guys some of this premium knowledge I spend out. All I ask is you hit that subscribe button and like this video. But my name's Exia. If you like my content, come back, hit the notification bell so you get a notification. But it's your boy Exia.